Please subscribe, share, like, comment. Question: which date is observed as World Mental Health Day announced by the World Federation for Mental Health, WFMH? Answer: October 10th. Explanation: the World Federation for Mental Health, WFMH, announced the theme for World Mental Health Day 2016, Dignity in Mental Health, Psychological and Mental Health First Aid for All. Many people who suffer from psychological and mental distress, personal crises and mental disorders could benefit from receiving psychological and mental health first aid from professionals and the general public. Question: the 14th World Day Against the Death Penalty is observed on which day on the theme of terrorism? Answer: October 10th. Explanation: the 14th World Day Against the Death Penalty is observed on October 10, 2016 on the theme of terrorism. Now 104 countries have abolished the death penalty for all crimes. The aim is to raising awareness around the application of the death penalty for terrorism-related offenses, to reduce its use. Question: which legendary Oscar-winning Polish film director whose movies defied communist-era censors died at the age of 90? Answer: Andrzej Wajda. Explanation: a legend in the world of cinema, Polish film director Andrzej Wajda had died aged 90, leaving behind an opus of acclaimed films inspired by his country's turbulent history. Polish media broke the news, which was also confirmed to AFP by a family friend who did not wish to be named. Question: which sports person from India won the women's singles title after beating Evgenia Kozetskaya at the Russian Open badminton held in Vladivostok, Russia? Answer: Ruthvika Shivanagati. Explanation: Ruthvika Shivanagati from India won the women's singles title after beating Evgenia Kozetskaya at 21-10, 21-13 in a 26-minute at the Russian Open badminton held in Vladivostok, Russia. In the same event, Indian pair Ansiki Reddy and Pranav Chopra defeated the Russian duo of Vladimir Ivanov and Valeria Sorokin at 21-17, 21-19 to clinch the mixed doubles title. Question: which lab has been inaugurated by M. Rajiv, Secretary to the Ministry of Earth Sciences at Haminch in the Spiti Valley on October 10, 2016? Answer: Glaciological Research Lab. Explanation: the Glaciological Research Lab inaugurated by M. Rajiv, Secretary to the Ministry of Earth Sciences at Haminch in the Spiti Valley on October 10, 2016. It was located at an altitude of nearly 13,500 feet. It was established by the National Center for Antarctic and Ocean Research, NCAP, has automatic weather stations, ground-penetrating radars, geodetic GPS systems and other sophisticated facilities to study glaciers and their discharge. Question: which telescope has detected Great Balls of Fire, GBF, a mysterious super-hot blobs of gas seen near a dying star? Answer: Hubble Space Telescope. Explanation: NASA's Hubble Space Telescope, HST, has detected Great Balls of Fire, GBF, a mysterious super-hot blobs of gas seen near a dying star. These plasma balls were moving so fast through space that it would take only 30 minutes for them to travel from Earth to the Moon. The observations suggest that these balls of fire had been appearing every 8.5 years for at least the last 4 centuries. Question: which airport has bagged the 2014-15 India Building Congress, IBC, Award for Excellence in Built Environment? Answer: Chandigarh International Airport. Explanation: the new integrated terminal building of Chandigarh International Airports Limited, KIL, has bagged the 2014-15 India Building Congress, IBC, Award for Excellence in Built Environment. AI General Manager for Engineering Projects D. Camera received the award from Union Urban Development, and Information and Broadcasting Minister M. Venkaiah Naidu at the 21st Annual Convention inaugural function. Question: which Bollywood celebrity received the Outstanding Celebrity Woman of the Year award while featuring among Outlook Business 19 Outstanding Women? Answer: Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. Explanation: Aishwarya Rai Bachchan recently received the Outstanding Celebrity Woman of the Year award while featuring among Outlook Business 19 Outstanding Women. The former Miss World looked gorgeous on the cover of the issue. 19 women achievers shared their successful, entrepreneurial journey in a candid conversation with Outlook Business. Question: which state government along with Ministry of Railways signed an for cost sharing of Nabarangpur and Malkangiri new railway line projects? Answer: Odisha. Explanation: Ministry of Railways signed with Government of Odisha for cost sharing of 2 new railway line projects. Them was signed in the presence of Union Minister for Railways Suresh Prabhakar Prabhu and Chief Minister of Odisha Naveen Patnaik. According to them, Odisha will bear entire land cost and 50% cost of construction of JE or Nabarangpur, 38 km, and 25% of total cost of Jaipur Malkangiri 130 km, rail line projects. Question: Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited has commissioned another 660 MW coal-based supercritical thermal power unit in which state? Answer: Uttar Pradesh. Explanation: New Delhi-based BLAS commissioned another 660 MW coal-based supercritical thermal power unit in Uttar Pradesh. It has added 4,300 megawatts of power generation capacity in the state of Uttar Pradesh in December 2015. The project is owned by Prayagraj Power Generation Company Limited, PPGCL, a subsidiary company of Prakash Power Ventures Limited. Question: which airlines has introduced child-free zones on all of its flights especially for business travelers can do their work without interruption? Answer: Indigo. Explanation: India-based airlines Indigo has introduced child-free zones on all of its flights. According to this, rows 1 to 4 and 11 to 14 are designated quiet zones so that business travelers can do their work without interruption. The airline avoids seating children below the age of 12 in these rows, which are near emergency exits. Question: which board has proposed a ban on unauthorized trading tips through social media platforms like SMS, WhatsApp and Facebook? Answer: Securities and Exchange Board of India. Explanation: the Securities and Exchange Board of India, SEBI, has proposed a ban on unauthorized trading tips through social media platforms like SMS, WhatsApp and Facebook. SEBI also proposed to curb unsolicited investment advice through electronic and broadcasting media platforms and a detailed advertisement code for those providing such advice. Question: what is the name of scheme is decided to launch by Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan to make Madhya Pradesh anemia-free? Answer: Lavama Abhiyan. Explanation: Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan decided to launch a scheme Lalam Abhiyan to make Madhya Pradesh anemia-free. It will be effective from November 1, 2016. Free iron folic acid tablets will be providing to Anganwadis, academic institutions and hospitals. Ferrous carbate tablets instead of ferrous sulfate tablets will be distributed by the state's health minister, Jagat Prasad Nadda. Question: the 4th Brooks Science, Technology and Innovation Ministerial meeting was held at which city of India? Answer: Jaipur, Rajasthan. Explanation: the 4th Brooks Science, Technology and Innovation Ministerial meeting was held at Jaipur, Rajasthan on 8 October, 2016 to strengthen the collaboration amongst the BRICS countries in the areas of science, Technology and Innovation, STI. The theme is Building Responsive, Inclusive, and Collective Solutions. Question. What is the deadline for Union Power Ministry to achieve 100% electrification for all in India? Answer. 1st of May 2017. Explanation. India would have 100% electrification for all by May 1, 2017 was the announcement made by the Union Power Minister Piyush Goyal. He has the confidence that 100% electrification in rural, left-wing extremism, LWE, districts and dense forests would be achieved by May 1, 2017, a year ahead of the schedule. Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Question. India's Energy Efficiency Services Limited has partnered with which agency to take the LED program to reduce the cost drastically? Answer. International Energy Agency. Explanation. The LED program by ESL has been so successful that is partnering with it to take the program global, was reported by Paul Simons, Deputy Executive Director at the. Question. India joined with which country to commence the second coordinated patrol and maritime exercise in the Andaman Sea? Answer. Indonesia. Explanation. India and Indonesia commenced their second coordinated patrol and bilateral maritime exercise in the Andaman Sea. Indian naval ship Karmak, an indigenously built missile warship, based under the Andaman and Nicobar Command, along with the Dornier maritime patrol aircraft, participated in the 28th India-Indonesia Coordinated Patrol and second bilateral maritime exercise, scheduled in the Andaman Sea. Question. Union government has extended anti-dumping duty on which country products for 5 years? Answer. China. Explanation. Revenue Department has extended anti-dumping duty on import of certain Chinese products, used in garment, footwear and toys manufacturing, for another 5 years. The anti-dumping duty on narrow-woven fabrics hook and loop Velcro tapes would be charged at the rate of $1.87 per kilogram. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more updates.